Welcome back to Striking FPV R&D. My name's Ashton, and last week I used a Headtracker to tilt the camera on my drone. Very simple. And I saw that the Headtracker had 3 axes to go with: roll, tilt, yaw. And so, what if I could fly the drone that way? Well, enjoy this brief supercut of today's shenanigans, where I basically made a bunch of mistakes, and then when I finally got it working, I lost my mind. Enjoy. Welcome back to Strife. That's the massive mosquito. Look at this guy. Wow. Program. Welcome back to Striking. Ooh. I swear this is the final test. I've worked it out. For some... Shut up. Okay, so my elevator is reversed. Everything's back to 0, so don't hit me. Yeah, something's really weird with this. Oh, but I can do it. Oh, that's the weirdest thing. That is the strangest thing. It's strangely intuitive. Can I land though? I can land. In that case, wish me luck. Oh, this is such a bad idea. This is the worst idea. Okay, we're centered. Let's center again. This is just... no, this is a terrible idea. Oh no, this is so weird. Oh no. Oh no. Can I fly around like this? Let's try. No. Let's go for a quick round. Oh, I do not like this. Oh, this is so wrong. Can I land?
Engine
Okay. Need to remove Expo. Need to, because it's not linear and my flight controller just reset. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. So much effort to get that very short flight to realize that, geez, that is so... Oh. I'm having a nervous breakdown. How to describe? Okay, so problems. Aside from the dogs barking. Oh man. I have Expo set up, which means I'd move the stick this far and the drone only tilts this far. But if I move the stick further, then the drone starts to tilt further. That's an issue with the head tracking, because it means that I have to do this much movement, but then only like this much happens in the goggles. So I'm losing orientation in a big way. And then the other aspect, which I knew would be an issue, but you know, I thought maybe it would be doable, is the yaw. Because obviously the head tilt, yeah, sure, it's more absolute, right? But the yaw isn't. The yaw, if I move my head here, the drone's just gonna keep spinning until I move my head back center, and vice versa. So, unless there was a way to program absolute yaw control, where the servo input corresponds to a direction that the drone needs to be facing, that was immensely, oh man, this, my brain, oh jeez. Stupid, I said it was a stupid idea, I didn't realize it'd be that stupid. All this effort to just like freak my brain out, oh. I'm gonna stick with the servo that tracks the head tilt, not flying with my head. I mean, I might do this again. I might charge another battery and mess with the rates, change the expo and everything. But oh man, wow, that's it. I'm rambling now. If you've enjoyed watching me laugh like a crazy person, click the like button. If you have any questions, you won't have questions about this. This was stupid. Then leave your stupid questions in the comments down below. And if you like to see stuff like this in the future, click subscribe. I'm gonna be taking a break for a couple of weeks because I've got work coming up. I'll come back and do some more less insane stuff, or I'll work out the kinks in this and make a new video, who knows. But yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Yeah, she ain't happy. It just flew inside. What the f